Here is the ascending triangle long trade that I've entered. It was on the 15-minute chart. Here is a 5-minute chart that I'm showing you how I determined my take profit. To the left in this area is some consolidation candles that are on the 15-minute chart that you can't see. But also here is my 200 SMA. But I also used a Fibonacci extension indicator, and I customized it, and what I did was brought over the Fibonacci arch to my top tool bar, and what I did was instead of using my regular Fibonacci or a Fibonacci extension indicator, I used the Fibo arc indicator, because then I was able to custom the values that I wanted on it. And what I have done was added 100, 150, 200, 253, 350, 450. And what I find is structure on the price action, where I have kind of a swing high or fractal high here, and swing low or fractal low. And this is where I drew my Fibonacci indicator line. And so I'm seeing at a 350% increase of this area on the Fibonacci values. Also coincides with my 200 SMA and previous consolidation resistance on this level to the left. So my projected take profit will be in this area here. Currently I'm up three pip range, and since you're buying at a lot, it's nice so that it's in the $35–40 range. What I project my take profit to be is 23.8 pips, which on a lot, single lot, will be $238.